Now, as a continuation of the previous video, let us see about the subjects that we will deal in the second year of BDS. There are four main subjects that we will deal in second year: microbiology, pathology, pharmacology, and dental materials. To start with microbiology, there we will deal about what are the common microbes of biological importance, that is which includes bacteria, viruses and fungi, and also parasites. So what is the growth pattern of these microorganisms, what diseases they cause, and how do we diagnose it, and how do we eradicate them? All those are included in microbiology. In pathology, we will deal about the diseases of our body. When physiology fails, pathology happens. It includes both general and systemic pathology, and it ranges from how a cell reacts to an injury up to the cancerous conditions of our body. The third subject is pharmacology, which includes how you treat those diseases. Now, what are the drugs available and the groups of those drugs, the classifications of those drugs, and the mechanism of action, their uses, and almost their adverse reactions form the part of pharmacology. The final dental related subject in second year is the dental materials. It is the material science of dentistry, especially for prosthodontics and conservative dentistry. That is, which includes the materials used and their mechanical properties, their composition, and so on. Now, what is this prosthodontics and conservative dentistry? They are final year subjects. Prosthodontics deals with replacement of missing teeth, and conservative dentistry deals mainly with the restoration of dental caries and fractured teeth. It is also known as the operative dentistry. It also includes endodontics, which deals with the famous root canal treatment, what most of the patients know. The preclinical part of this prosthodontics and conservative dentistry is dealt in second year. We learn the laboratory procedures, which includes some major important skills of dentistry like teeth setting to cavity preparation. Now, hope you got an idea of what microbiology, pathology, pharmacology, and dental materials is about. We will definitely make a video on how to learn those subjects, how to deal with them individually, and how to score good marks in them. So, see you soon.